Hey guys, we have the Beats EP headphones, and in this case the right ear cup stopped working. So in this video we want to analyze what could be the problem and if there is a way to fix this. Okay, so first we start out by disassembling the left ear cup, and in order to do that we first take off the ear pad, and we do this by prying with the screwdriver, flat blade screwdriver here in between the ear pad and the ear cup. So you see here we could just easily detach this, and then behind there we find 4 Phillips screws. So we're going to remove those, and shortly after that we can then pop off here the cover. But we have to do this really carefully because there's a whole bunch of wires connected to this cover that we now remove, and we don't want to accidentally rip off one of those off. Now, a very common problem with these headphones is that the cable, which is very close to the audio jack, starts to break. So we have to figure out if that is the problem in this case. In order to do that, we take here our multimeter and we set this into the continuity mode. So that means we can check with this mode if electricity is flowing from the single leads of the audio jack to one of the soldering points here on our headphones, or on the driver here that you see here on the back side. So when electricity is flowing, then we should hear like a little beeping sound. And we have to perform this test here for the left audio channel and the right audio channel, and also for the ground. So we should hear this beeping sound in 3 different locations. And in this case, this is actually true. So this means that the audio jack is not the problem, or the cable really close to the audio jack, that is still okay. And we have to continue searching for the problem someplace else. And that's why at this point we're also going to take the right ear cup apart, only that when we're looking in there, this looks a lot simpler, because in this case we only have 2 wires on this side, only the positive and the negative. So this makes this side here a lot simpler. And on this side we're now running a little bit of a different test, and in this case now we're actually playing some music on our headphones. And right now the sound only comes out of the left side and the right side is silent. But when we're measuring the voltage at this point here on the right ear cup, then we see there is actually a signal coming through. So technically the right ear cup should play music at this point. And then let's just measure the same here on the left ear cup. And this one actually does play music at this point, and there we're kind of measuring the same values. So this means also the right and the left ear cup both get the audio signals, and in theory both sides should be playing music at this point. And that means here the audio jack is really working completely normal, and also the cable is not broken at this point. But unfortunately the right ear cup, or the right driver, the speaker itself, must be broken, and we can't really fix this one here easily. So this is a little bit, unfortunately this is really complicated to be fixed here. So this would mean that the right ear cup is not repairable for us, and unfortunately we have to get new headphones. Yeah, and that was all it for this video. I hope you found the information helpful, and if you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.